this matter of sit at home, this same IPOB came out and said that they are no longer supporting sit at home. This is what Nnamdi Kanu said, that he is not part of this yet.
By direct order, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu hereby ends once and for all and finally all sit at home, including the Monday sit at home.
Ndewo gị onye ọma na-ege ntị ma na-ekiri ekiri ebe nọ ugbu a bụ na sim.ch asịrị FM. Onye gị na ya nọkwa taa bụ 042 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa. Ngwagere akụkọ nke anyị ji wee bịa taa. Maazị Enyinnaya Abaribe bụ onye na-anọchite anya ndị Abia South n'ụlọ omeiwu ukwu nke obodo Nigeria agwala ha bụ ndị ụlọ omeiwu ukwu na o nweghị onye ọbụla na-akwado ọnọdụ nọrọ n'ụlọ nke a na-eme kwa Mọnde ọbụla n'ala Igbo bereso ndị ohi na ndị ji ya eme ihe ọjọọ dị iche iche. O kwuru nke a mgbe ọ na-etinye ọnụ n'okwu n'ọgbakọ ya bụ ụlọ omeiwu ukwu Senate dịka ha na-atụgharị uche ma na-eleba anya n'ihe gbasara ọnọdụ nchekwa na mpaghara ọwụwa anyanwụ nke obodo Nigeria. Dị ka o siri kwuo, ọ sị na ọnwa Disemba afọ abụọ gara aga bụ Disemba afọ 2021, Disemba 2021, na ya onwe ya na Sinetọ Ikekwere Mmadụ nke steeti Enugu ha na ụfọdụ n'ime ndị nnọchiteanya ọhaneze ndị Igbo jere ileta ya bụ nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu n'ụlọ mkpọrọ ebe ọ nọrọ gwa ha na onweghị ka ya si wee kwado ọnọdụ nọrọ n'ụlọ nke onye ọbụla ji aha ya eme. N'aka nke ọzọ, otu onye n'ime ndị ọkaiwu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bụ barista Aloy Ejimakor emeela ka ọhaneze mara maka ozi edemede nke ọ sị na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu denyere ya ka ya zigara Mazi Simon Ekpa ka ọ kwụsị ihe ọbụla gbasara ya bụ ọnọdụ nọrọ n'ụlọ. Dị ka o siri kwuo, ọ sị na Mazi Kanu ziri ya bụ ozi mgbe ya jere ileta ya na mkpụrụ ụbọchị nke 24 nke ọnwa Julaị ya bụ 24th July 2023. N'olu okwu ya, ya bụ onye ndu nyere Simon iwu na ọ ga-ekwupụtarịrị ya bụ ihe n'ọba ozi efere mba ụwa ya ma gakwa n'iru wee kwuo na ọ bụrụ na Simon ajụ na ọ gaghị ekwupụta ya bụ ihe na ọ na-enye ya onwe ya bụ barista Ejimakor ikikere ịpụta ma were ọnụ ya wezie ndị Biafra ya bụ ozi. Asịla na Solex si kama lere onyonyo ya.
I want to thank the mover of this motion and the rest of us, plus all those others who have risen in support of this motion. And I also want to thank my good friend OGD for helping to make it known to everyone that this is a national problem. First of all, I will crave the indulgence of my colleagues to go back to history, because my people have a saying, if you don't know where the rain started to beat you, you will not know when it will have also ended. This matter of sit at home started in 2021, August 2021, when the agitation group called IPOB insisted that they will go on a sit at home because of their leader held in prison in the DSS. 3 weeks later, when the effect of the criminal takeover of this started to manifest, this same IPOB came out and said that they are no longer supporting sit at home, that they will have stopped. Unfortunately, very unfortunately, the genie had been removed from the bottle, and all manners of criminal elements had taken over and now use the sit at home to kill, to maim, to burn houses, to kill policemen and all manners of innocent people. When that continued, by December of 2021, and I need for everybody to know this, in company of former senator and our former deputy Senate President, Ike Ekweremadu, 2 bishops, and the secretary of Ohaneze, I went with them to meet with their leader, Nnamdi Kanu, in the DSS headquarters. And there, we pointedly asked him, why did you institute this menace that is crippling the Southeast? He denied and said that the person who is going ahead and insisting that he's doing sit at home on his behalf is somebody called Simon Ekpa, living in Finland, and that he never authorized that. And that actually the person he says that ought to represent him is another person. And he called the person's name, Chike Edozian. We came back from that meeting in DSS, called a meeting of all the leaders of the Southeast, and said, this is what Nnamdi Kanu said, that he is not part of this. Yet, every Monday, what happens is this: a few miscreants, and I use the word advisedly, come out, shoot and kill 1 or 2 people, and run away, and video it and send across the whole of the Southeast, and everybody is now scared. The governors we met, all of us in the National Assembly we have met, everybody has condemned it. I need the Senate to know that there is no one in the Southeast except the criminals who support this sit at home. Their modus operandi is simple. It's just terror. I have called the market leaders in Abia and I said, you can't continue to stay away. And they told me that the people have threatened to burn their markets at night if they don't stay away. So this is beyond the citizenry coming out to just say we don't accept it. Because what they have done is to use terror tactics to intimidate a whole region. And we have had meetings with the DSS, and all that the DSS has told us is, listen, these are just a few people. They will come out in one road, they will find somebody just driving along on his way to doing anything, shoot him, and then they will say it is because of sit at home. Take his car away, go and keep it in their den, and later go and sell it. So these are nothing but criminals. So I support this motion, and especially the matter concerning someone who is a dual citizen of Nigeria and Finland, staying in Finland, giving orders, and in fact, giving, I will say, orders that you don't understand why people should accept it here. But then, criminals will always find a reason to do what they want to do. I have also had interactions with the Finnish embassy, and in fact, the United Nations head in Nigeria, who is from Finland. And what she told me was, it is a government-to-government interaction that will lead to a resolution of this because as a citizen of Finland, that he has a right to express his opinion. But I can tell you, my dear colleagues, each and every one of us has suffered greatly from what is happening in the Southeast. They attacked Senator Carlo when he was doing campaigns. They attacked me. There's nobody they have not tried to intimidate. But we cannot be intimidated because we are in a country that has rule of law. And so I support this motion in its entirety. And when the time comes for the prayers, if there's anything I will add, we will. But we want to urge our colleagues and the rest of Nigeria to see this matter not just as a Southeast matter, but as a matter for Nigeria.
Akwikirichala nke ahụ. Ngwanụ ka etinyekwa anya n'ihe onyinyo nke ọzọ bụ ebe barrister Ejimakor ji ya bụ ozi wee bịa. Ka m bịakwanụ.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of the press, and good evening to everyone listening out there. My name is Oge Akụkọ. I'm a legal practitioner and special counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the indigenous people of Biafra, which are the subject matters of this press briefing and public announcement today in Enugu State, Eastern Nigeria. The press briefing is in the form of a public announcement, as I stated before. I have reduced it in writing on my letterhead because of the sensitive nature of the message it bears. And the press briefing and the public announcement is going to be exactly to the script. So now, therefore, I'll read from the script I have prepared, so I'll stay within context. This is a public announcement stroke press statement issued by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu through my humble self, Oge Akụkọ, his special counsel, and is issued to the general public and all media institutions. The subject matter of this public announcement is that by direct order, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu hereby ends once and for all and finally all sit-at-home, including the Monday sit-at-home and any other proposed sit-at-home presently in process. This public announcement, as written, bears the unedited verbatim instructions containing a direct order personally issued by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in his own handwriting on 24th July in the year of our Lord 2023, through my humble self to Mazi Simon Ekpa, instructing him to, quote, desist from calling for any sit-at-home henceforth, and to make a public announcement on his platform, media platform, to the effect that he, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Simon Ekpa, is in receipt of a direct order from him, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to cancel any pending sit-at-home in place at the moment. And also that he, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has, by the same order, authorized me, Barrister Oge Akụkọ, to issue a press statement if he, Mazi Simon Ekpa, fails to make this announcement on his platform. For avoidance of doubt, this direct order to Mazi Simon Ekpa was personally handed to me by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when I visited him on this 24th of July, 2023 at the headquarters of the Department of State Security Services in Abuja. Abuja, Nigeria, DSS. Later that day, I tried to contact Mazi Simon Ekpa via his WhatsApp number, but could not reach him until 1:44 a.m. the following day, on the 25th of July, whereupon I snapped the direct order as written and sent to him on WhatsApp. He thereafter acknowledged receipt, and we spoke briefly on it and exchanged a couple of text messages thereof. Since that early 25th July 2023, when I conveyed the order to Mazi Ekpa, and he duly acknowledged receiving it, he has not implemented the order or otherwise made such public announcement on his media platform. Nonetheless, I made a conscious decision to give him the benefit of the doubt and thereby accord him time to do the needful. Then late yesterday, further written instructions was issued by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu directly to me by proxy, referring to the extant direct order to Mazi Ekpa, and in addition instructing me that given that Mazi Ekpa has so far not carried out the order, I, Aloy Ejimako, as of council and as of today, the 25th of July 2023, must proceed to make the order public.
Akwikirichala ya bụ ihe onyonyo. Onye ụwa gị onye na-egere akụkọ ụwa m, ịmarala n'etu anyị si eme ya. Deere anyị ebumnuche gị etu isi hụ ya bụ ihe nke ikiriri ugbu a na ngalaba okwu ka anyị mara uche gị, n'ihi na uche onye adịghị ya njọ. Daalụkwa gị onye na-eso eburu anyị esonye, ekelekwa gị onye asị gị jide ka iji, onye asị ya jide ka o ji, ịmara na nke o ji kacha mma. Ekpere m bụ na Chineke nna ga na-anọnyere gị ọpụpụ gị na mbata gị, na-etinyere gị aka n'ezi ihe niile nke ị na-eme. Gị taa bụkwanụ mbụ ị na-ahụ ihe onyonyo anyị, asị gị nnọọ. Onye gị na ya ka nọkwa bụ 042 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa n'iru akwụkwọ efere mba ụwa. Ya mere ọ bụrụ na ka m mere dị gị mma n'obi nwanne, biko ọ bụ na Facebook na Instagram ka ị na-ahụ ihe onyonyo pịara m follow. Ọ bụ na YouTube ka ị na-ekiri ya bụ ihe onyonyo pịara m subscribe ya na mgbịrịgba ya n'akụkụ ka ị nwee ike na-enweta ihe onyonyo ndị ọzọ ga na-ewetara gị n'ọdịnihu. Ọ bụ na Twitter ka ị hụrụ ya bụ ihe onyonyo pịara m follow. Ọ bụ na TikTok itikere m follow ma atọ ọkụma. Igbo ndị nwa m, Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, ekelekwa m unu wee na-asị na ọ ga na-adịrị unu niile mma o. Ise ngwanụ tụsawara m ihe onyonyo a na-atụsara m ya bụ ihe onyonyo na-apịrị m aka na share button ya mara gị mma ezigbo mmadụ. Udo dịrị unu.